Welcome to the PDi DMS for Web walkthrough. This tutorial will take you through the functionality available in DMS for the web. The landing page is the login screen. We can use our standard DMS username and password to access, but before we log in, there are some other options available. The theme drop-down box gives us the ability to change the color of our labels, edit boxes and other controls. When we select the theme, the web page will be updated automatically. The theme is saved and will become the automatic theme the next time the web page is visited. The About button takes us to the registration and information screen for the application. If you have previously registered the app, you can retrieve the new license using the Get Your Registration Key button. The unique PDi ID and serial number supplied at the time of purchase will be used to retrieve the license. If this is the first time you have registered the application, you must provide the serial number first. This screen also displays the registration information, the days left on your current subscription, and the maximum number of connections allowed. The Request Key button will take you to the registration form to request the license key. Complete and either download the registration file or send via your installed email client. Press the Return button to continue with the login. Enter your username and password. If we are connecting from a non-public machine, then check the Remember Me to make the login quicker on the next visit. Once the login has completed, the panel carousel will be displaying our allowed depositories. Select a depository to search. If we leave the depositories key fields as a default shown and press search, then all documents will be listed. If I enter information into the available fields, then the documents retrieved will be limited based on the selection made. Clicking View Document for the selected document will recall the document from PDi DMS and display it in the PDF viewer. Close the PDF viewer to return to the document grid. The grid columns can be moved and resized to fit your requirements. Use the Reset Grid button to return the grid to the factory default. The Depositories button will return you to the depository list. We can also search across multiple depositories. Tick the required depositories to search. The common fields will be listed. Enter your values to search for, or leave as the defaults to list all documents. Also use this screen to search a single depository. The mobile web interface is slightly different from the standard browser. We have the same functionality but laid out to suit the mobile device platform. The landing page is again the main login screen. As with the standard browser, we can switch the theme color. The About screen also allows us to retrieve the license key, as well as request a new license key. The requirements are the same. Complete and either download the registration file and send, or use the option to send via your mobile's email client. Login and a list of your available depositories are displayed. Select the depositories to search and enter the values as required. A scroll view will appear with the found documents. Press the information icon to view the document. Enter partial information to search if the complete details are not known. A multi-search function is also available. The Show button gives the list of available depositories. Check which to view and then swipe left to remove. Enter the required search values into the common fields and press Find. A list of documents that fit the search values in the selected depositories will be displayed. Once I have located all the required documents, press Log Out to close the session. PDi DMS for Web gives you complete access to the documents within your allowed depositories, whether you're in the office or out on the road.
Visit the PDi website for more tutorials.